In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your aeroplane mode on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you need to do is come down to the taskbar and just click on the aeroplane mode symbol, and you should be able to click on it and turn it off from here. Now sometimes this isn't going to work and you're not actually going to be able to turn off the aeroplane mode. So to go and fix this, first just open up the start menu and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. In the left hand side, select network and internet, click on aeroplane mode, and once again you can try turning it off and disabling it from here. If this doesn't work, come back over to the previous page, scroll down to advanced network settings, scroll down to network reset, and then click on reset now. And once you've reset your network settings, you also need to restart your computer, and then you can go and check to see if aeroplane mode is now off. Now sometimes as well, there may be a key combination on your computer or laptop that you can go and press to toggle on and off aeroplane mode. So just look for the aeroplane symbol on your keyboard, and sometimes you can press this along with the FN key, and this should go and switch on and off aeroplane mode. Now if it's still not working, come back over to the start menu and search for device manager and click on this window. Expand the option next to network adapters, then right click on your Intel Wi-Fi and click on properties. Click on power management and uncheck this option to allow the computer to turn off this device, and press OK. Once again, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, then just right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then just go and select your Intel adapter and press next. Now if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then just come down to the taskbar and we're going to right click on the Wi-Fi symbol and press diagnose network problems. Now you can just scroll down and click on run network tests and run through this troubleshooter to try and diagnose any issues with your network. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.